Hello everyone. In this video we are going to talk about Faraday foot bath. The small muscles of the foot can be re-educated by the Faraday electrical stimulation under saline water. Saline water bath used for this purpose is called as Faraday foot bath. The apparatus that is required are electrical stimulator, 2 metal electrode, 2 lead, tray filled with water, salt, wooden chair, towel, plastic sheet. Technique of application: check for the contraindication, skin lesions or dermatological conditions, osteomyelitis, thrombosis, unreliable patient, over recent or non-union fracture. Check for the apparatus. Explain the method of application to the patient. Patient position should be comfortably positioned in sitting. The foot that is not to be treated should be on wooden stool. Place the patient's foot in a bath containing enough warm water to decrease skin resistance. Water should be till medial malleolus or navicular bone. Add NaCl to make the water good conductor. Place the electrode according to the muscle that is to be stimulated. Turn on the stimulator and increase intensity till the patient feel tickling sensation in the foot according to the patient tolerance. Fix the time knob for 5 to 10 minutes. Position of the therapist: sitting either side to the patient or in front of the patient, but therapist should be free to reach the apparatus. Termination: when the time is over, slowly decreases the intensity and turn off the stimulator. Remove the patient foot from the bath and dry it with towel. Indication: flat foot, rheumatoid arthritis of foot, hallus valgus, metatarsalgia, weak arches of the foot, weaker intrinsic muscles of the foot, chronic retrocalcaneum bursitis. Advantages: skin resistance is less. Symmetrical distribution of the current can be given on the irregular areas of the body. Disadvantages: current cannot be localized. Superficial muscle contraction is more than deeper muscle. Chances of electric shock. Precautions: water should not be added during treatment. Patient must be on wooden chair. Unaffected side of the limb should not be on the floor. This is to prevent the earth shock. Mostly treated muscles: small muscles of the foot. To stimulate lumbrical muscles, place one electrode transversely under the heel and one electrode under the metatarsal head. To stimulate the plantar interossei, place electrode on either side of the foot at the level of the metatarsal shaft. To stimulate abductor hallucis, place one electrode under the heel and stimulate abductor hallucis muscle through the motor point using pen electrode.